So over here we have the plug holder for the 3-blade plug. It has an outer thread, these two holes. It has this female slot around here. It is the only one throughout the part over here. And it has these three features. And this is the plug. This is of course for 3 blades. As you can see over here, it has the female slot. What we're gonna do is to make sure that these two are aligned, that the slots are aligned over here. Okay. These features go in between these two parts. It makes like a V. So this goes and fills the V. This part over here fills the V. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna make sure that the part doesn't rotate. This one rotates a little bit, but at least it's not rotating too much. This part could be improved. The perfect part should not be rotating. So the next part over here, it has an inner thread. What it's gonna do is make sure that the plug is restrained into the holder. You can see it doesn't move. The next part is the handle. This is the handle that the operator used to rotate the plug into the receptacle. So they're basically gonna insert it through these holes and rotate it into the thread of the machine, which is basically a post in this direction, a vertical post. What they're gonna do is just rotate it like this, and you can see the blades rotating too. And that's it for the 3-blade plug. Now for the 4-blade plug, 5-blade plug, you have another feature. It's a little bit bigger. The diameter is bigger to accommodate a bigger plug. And the main difference over here of all the features are gonna be that in this particular plug holder, it has a male slot instead of a female slot, and it has 4 features instead of 3, like the 3-blade tester, the 3-blade plug. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna align the male feature with the female one. This one, because it's male and female, doesn't rotate. So I think that all of them should be made this way. Of the 6 holders, only this one has a male feature over here. It doesn't rotate at all. Let's say you're gonna put the cap into the holder. Now the plug doesn't come off. Then the handle is the same. So what you're gonna look for, at least from the part of the design, is making sure of this part, of the slots. They have to align. This helps a little bit, these parts over here. You can see each of these features is gonna slide into these holes, into these empty spaces.